Hello and welcome to Farming 4.0. In today's video, we will discuss the harvesting and processing of walnuts and acorns. Harvesting walnuts requires careful attention and precise timing, since the harvest season begins in the fall, when the walnuts are mature and naturally fall from the tree. Farmers use special machines to shake the trees, causing the walnuts to fall onto nets spread on the ground. After harvesting, the walnuts need to be cleaned and dried to prevent mold and spoilage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with the latest news in the farming world. Enjoy! This process is typically done in a dryer, where the walnuts are ventilated with warm air, and then they are cracked open to extract the kernels, which can be used in various food products. Harvesting acorns is also a fall activity, when the acorns are mature and fall from the oak trees. Acorns can be collected manually or using special machines that help gather them from the ground. It's essential to collect only healthy acorns without signs of mold or spoilage. After harvesting, the acorns need to be cleaned and dried by spreading them out in a dry, well-ventilated area to prevent mold. Once dried, the acorns can be shelled and processed to extract the kernels, which can be used to make acorn flour for various culinary preparations or as animal feed. Harvesting acorns takes place in the fall when they are mature and fall from oak trees. The process can be done manually by collecting acorns from the ground or using specialized machines that vacuum or shake the acorns. After harvesting, acorns are cleaned of debris and dried in a well-ventilated area to prevent mold. The drying process takes a few weeks, after which the acorns can be stored or processed. Processing includes shelling and grinding to produce acorn flour, which is used in various culinary preparations or as animal feed. Harvesting walnuts by shaking involves using specialized machines called tree shakers. The machine attaches to the tree trunk and vibrates it, causing the walnuts to fall. Nets or tarps are placed beneath the tree to catch the falling walnuts. After collecting, the walnuts are cleaned of debris and dried to prevent spoilage. This method is efficient, reducing time and labor compared to manual harvesting, and helps preserve the quality of the walnuts and the health of the trees. Processing walnuts and acorns involves several essential steps to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. After harvesting, walnuts and acorns are transported to the processing unit. The first step is primary cleaning, where leaves, twigs, and other debris are removed. Next is washing, to remove dirt and impurities from the shell. Then walnuts and acorns are dried in a hot air dryer, or a well-ventilated space to reduce moisture and prevent mold. After drying, walnuts go through a shelling and separating process, where shelling machines crack the shells and separate the kernels. The kernels are sorted and graded based on size and quality, including manual inspection to remove damaged nuts. Finally, the kernels are packaged under strict hygiene conditions, in small bags for individual consumers or large sacks for wholesale. For acorns, after drying, they're shelled manually or with machines. The acorn kernels are soaked and leached to remove bitter tannins by repeatedly soaking in water until the kernels no longer taste bitter. After leaching, the kernels are dried again and then ground to produce acorn flour. The flour is packaged under strict hygiene conditions, ready for distribution and culinary use. These steps are essential to transform harvested walnuts and acorns into high-quality finished products, ready for human consumption or use in various food preparations. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.